In this video, I want to share about how this camera gave me sight after sight loss. Stay tuned. Hey, my name's Blake. Welcome to my channel, Adapting Sight. It's all about technology and its accessibility related to people who are visually impaired. I'm visually impaired myself and make this content, so I want to give the backstory on how I got interested with using cameras. At the age of 16, a condition called LHON caused me to lose all my central vision and become legally blind. Shortly after this happened, I bought a GoPro camera so that I could take pictures of things to try to see them better later on my computer. I was quickly hooked on this and found a huge passion for clearly capturing things around me and being able to share that perspective with others. I also started to enjoy taking videos and really was blown away by the power that video had to capture sight and the things around me that I couldn't see well in person. I really found that the GoPro was actually quite an accessible camera. There's only a couple buttons and it's super simple to film or take photos with. It has a really wide angled lens, so it would capture everything in front of me. It keeps everything in focus, so I didn't have to worry about things being out of focus. And most importantly, I didn't have to use the tiny screen on the back, but I could connect it to my iPhone and adjust all the camera settings by using the magnification and voiceover features on my phone. Throughout this journey, I started to wonder, what if I tried to not just take photos and videos, but take good photos and videos? Through lots and lots of trial and error, hours of YouTube tutorials, I slowly realized that this was something that I could get good at. At first, I thought it was really ironic that I was into using cameras as a visually impaired person. But I then came to realize it's not ironic, it actually makes sense. If I can't see things well, why wouldn't I use a tool that can? I started to really fall in love with the editing process and learning technical Adobe Creative tools for photo and video editing. I would make videos of family trips, traveling, mountain biking, and more. And it's been amazing to have been given this gift of creativity with cameras to be able to make all the content on this channel to help other visually impaired people. I've really enjoyed being part of accessibility research for the creative tools I use, and I want to use this platform to bring more awareness to how cameras and my creative process can be made more accessible so that other visually impaired people can enjoy the amazing feeling it is to be able to capture sight with a camera. As I got better, I started filming on newer GoPros, and I now film all my videos mostly using the Canon M50. Using a mirrorless camera has been an interesting process to make accessible, but it's neat seeing the little features that go a long way, especially the Canon Camera Connect app, to be able to control all my settings through my phone and not have to use the little screen on the back of the camera. I hope this goes to show that accessibility is crucial for all kinds of products. I would love for you to comment down below any questions you have on how I make videography and photography accessible as a visually impaired person. And I look forward to making videos in the future answering those questions and sharing more about this process. Subscribe for more content like this and check out one of these videos next.